emotional right now. It's been literally 10 weeks. We're in the 10th or 11th week of the Big Brother Naija All-Star season. We had literally over 20 to 24 people in the show, and now we're at the last week, the last lap. And you guys have been here from the beginning till this point with me. I really, really, really appreciate it and love you guys. Now, of course, it is a promise that by Big Brother Titans, I shall start showing my face. A lot of you that are trying to toast me, Nagai di Toko, Nagai di this channel. If you can't check my earlier videos, you would know it is Lady Jackson. That's how I started this channel. So, of course, it has been lovely having you guys here, bantering, insulting, dragging, and everything. I really appreciate you guys. Now, of course, in this particular video, I'm going to give you a lowdown on the looming trouble that might arise between Ilebaye and Ceec. It's going to be basketballs, and probably between Ceec and Mercy Eke, and then the friendship growing between Ceec and Adekunle, because I don't know. Now, this and more is what you're going to see in this video, of course. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button, miss out for notification on every post I make. Don't forget to share, comments down below, and also share this video so the more people can get to see. Now, of course, without further ado, let's get right into it. Before I get into the looming basketballs, all I could say to do whenever Mesieke was walking is, she is trotting like a queen, walking all around, and she is taking all the shine. She ain't got no competition, cause damn, girl, like literally, girl was trotting around with her bomb shorts and like her cowgirl shoes, and then the furry hood cap, and she's like, I am the queen. Literally, Pere and Cross kept rebuking her. Is this how she wants to destroy their future this week and their lives? They must stay focused. We must stay focused this week. I'm like, excuse me, guys, if you don't focus, you ain't gonna get it. Of course, more congratulations, of course, to Cross for being the final, the second, the only one to get the second, and also like head of house, basically, right? He won the head of house. He chose Ceec and Pere to be his BFFs because Big Brother asked him to choose only two, because if he chooses four, it's going to be only one person that's going to be downstairs, which is not good at all. So that was well thought, and you know, they're going to have fun and a good time this week. And then talking about Ceec, there's looming trouble between Ceec and Ilebaye. Now, Pere was saying when he was talking to Ilebaye, saying that Ilebaye is provoking Ceec because according to him, Baye shouldn't have tapped Ceec rudely to change her batteries. And then Ilebaye responded to him, telling him that people are provoking her, hating on her, and that, you know what, that was the reason why she didn't even want to change Ceec's battery. That, have you seen the attitude Ceec has been giving her whenever she needs to ask a question for clarity? Ceec would either ignore her or be like, please don't disturb me, and stuff like that. And you know, this indeed, whilst Pere is in the middle, I'm sure he's going to still talk to Ceec and, you know, get to find out her own opinion of what's happening. But what I know is that this, whatever trouble is brewing, is going to explode in their faces, and we might just see a final basketballs between Ilebaye and Ceec. And I hope it doesn't get them to disqualification one way or the other, or, you know, an extra strike that might lead to whatever. So let's just see how it turns out, though. And still on the case of Ilebaye thinking that everybody hates her, the conversation got a little bit intense. Now, not heated in a bad way, because Mercy Eke and Pere had to make her understand that people don't necessarily hate you, but there might be attitudes you might do that might come off tacky, arrogant, and somehow to them. Like, for example, nobody likes when you tap them with force because you want to change their battery. And Ilebaye was responding that, okay, have you seen the attitude that Ceec has been giving me during any lush events or Sundays like that? It's just like she doesn't like me. Mesieke had to point to her, to Ilebaye, that, okay, here are some certain attitudes you did towards me that I really didn't like. Like, I was even trying to support you and you like shut me down and was like, I wasn't talking to you. I'm like, this is me that was supporting you. Now, of course, moving on from that, there is a seemingly good, close friendship and bond growing between Ceec and Adekunle. And I must say, Benita is crying into buckets right now and probably wasting a lot of tissues and handkerchief, because that's how she basically is. I am sorry if I was being tacky, but of course it is what it is. So Adekunle was he complimented Cece's dressing and how good she looked. She also responded to him and complimented him, and she said her dressing is coming from the place of the fact that a lot of people have told her that she looks like a politician and she would do good in politics, and that she wants to get into politics and she's preparing for that time. They now moved on to talking about politics, how it will fit her and stuff, and in my mind I'm like, okay girl, I see what you're doing. I could read between the lines. Everything you try to do, I see it before you do. Anyways, and of course, that's all I have for you on this particular video. Now, as usual, every week we run a poll in the community tab, and we ask you for whom you want the Jacksons to get to vote for. Now, this week, the top 6, 3 guys and 3 girls. And this is how we're going to run it. It's already running. I've put off the poll just so I make you understand. We have the girls in one tab and the guys in one tab. We have 3 IUCs. There'll be 5 IUCs that we will be voting, and they have high margins of votes. So what you need to do is vote for your best lady and your best man. After that, we're going to run another extra poll where we're going to choose who is getting our votes for this week, our final votes, and help push them to get to grab the ultimate win of the Big Brother Naija All Stars season 2023 edition. This is the first BBNaija All Stars season, and we need to get your fave to the limelight. And of course, that is what is going to be. Anybody who thinks it's biased, that's the best option we have. Now, of course, moving on from that, the Real Housewives of Lagos is coming up, I think on the 27th or 29th of September 2023. Now, that's going to be in a few days. Oh my God, a few days? Either 2 or 9 or 4 days to come. Damn. So what's going to happen is that we're going to be bringing you the lowdown of everything that happens. I think it's once a week. So from the episode 1 to the final episode of this particular season, it's going to be hot. You're going to get the full lowdown. So please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell button beside for notification on every post I make. Don't forget to share comments down below, and also share this video so that more people can get to see. And I'll see you on the next one.